Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss with you how to create shortcuts for Tekla structures. Customizing your Tekla setup with shortcuts like this will allow you to be less distracted, more efficient and precise while modeling or creating the drawings for your project. While Tekla does come with some predefined shortcuts, it is important to see what works and what doesn't for yourself. I have prepared a list of the ones I have found to be extremely important in my day-to-day project work, and I'll be sharing it with you in the video description below. It is important to keep in mind that many of these I have been adding over time, changing and adjusting based on my preferences or needs. In order to set up any shortcut in Tekla, you will need to go to the main menu and select Settings and then Keyboard Shortcuts. Once the menu has opened, you'll see a couple of things. The first one is the groups list, which if you can click on it, you'll see the drawing shortcuts list, the modeling shortcuts list, and the planning shortcuts list. Essentially, these are different groups of commands for which you can assign a shortcut to. For most purposes, you'll probably be dealing with either the modeling or the drawings group. Now I will close this window to show you what and how these things are typically done. Now, the thing is, once you have identified a certain tool or command which you would like to add a shortcut for, you can hover over its button and see what the name of the command is. For this example, I'll be showing how to add construction lines, as I use them all the time to either measure things or to create reference lines. Construction lines are found under the Edit tab on the very right-hand side of the ribbon under Construction Objects. Once you go and you hover over the line, you'll see it's called Add Construction Line. The next step is to go back to the Shortcuts menu, and here you can either type in the name of the command. As you saw earlier, it was called Add Construction Line, and you can see it here, or you can not have to type or just scroll, but as you can see, the list is quite large. Luckily for us, the add construction line is one of the first commands, so I will click on it, and as you can see, I've already assigned a shortcut to it, but I will click on clear so that there is no associated shortcut with the particular command. Now, in order to recreate what I had done previously, is to click on the particular command, in this case add construction line, click on enter shortcut, and once I have clicked on it and it is selected in this blue color, I'll click on the button L. Once I have selected it, I'll assign it, and as you can see on the right hand side, the shortcut is now assigned to the particular command. I'll close and click on save. Now that I have set up the shortcut, I can quickly test it by clicking L. As you can see, I can click and add a construction line much more quickly than having to go to edit, finding the construction object group and clicking on line to create the same thing. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.